Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you'll be fine. Okay, today we are going to do an interesting activity, and this is the Pakistan Day activity. We are going to make a cute card, Pakistan Day card, to show the love for our country. Okay, first of all, for this activity, the things we are going to use are this white chart paper card. I have taken out this much size of a card. This is more than enough for us. Okay, next is we are going to use glitter foaming sheet in green color, simple green foaming sheet, colorful markers. This is optional. A pair of scissors, a designing scissor, pencil, pearls, a scale, a silver marker, glue. It can be a simple glue stick, or you can also use a UHU glue as well. Okay, first of all, we are going to take the piece of a white chart paper and we will take a rectangular shape and fold it in half to make the shape of a card. Okay, now we are going to make its border. For the border, I am going to use this glitter foaming sheet and this designing scissor. By using this designing scissor, I am going to cut out the strips of glitter foaming sheets to paste them on the border of the card. Okay, 4 strips I am going to cut out. Two, three, and 4. Now we will be pasting them on this card on all the 4 sides. Okay, now it's up to you. If you want to paste them on the edge of the card like this, it will look cute like this as well, but I'm gonna leave some space from the outer sides, because I think it will look more cute when we will leave a little space from the outer sides like this. If you like it like this, you can make it in this way as well. Now I am going to take the other strip and I am going to paste it on this side vertically on the right side of the card. Like this. I think I should leave a little more space from the outer side, from its outer side. This much space will look cute. Done. Now the other strip will be pasted. The third one, it will be pasted on the lower side of the card here, like this. Okay, now the 4th one will be pasted on this remaining side, the left side of the card. I'm gonna paste it from the lower side of this upper strip so that the edge will look very neat. Okay, now the extra strips we'll cut out the extra strips like this. Okay. Okay students, the border of the card is almost ready. Now we are going to paste some heart shapes on this card to show the heart shaped balloons on it. We are going to use formic sheet, simple formic sheet to make the heart shapes. First of all, we are going to let me show you how to make the stencil of this heart shape. I am going to use this hard chart paper piece. Just fold it in half and cut it out like this. See, the shape of the heart is taken out. Okay, I think this will be enough for this card. This size is good enough. Now we can paste it on the formic sheet. We can trace it here simply by using the pencil. We'll trace the heart shapes. 6 hearts are needed to paste on the card. See, I have traced it very lightly, I think. Okay, let me show you the other the traced heart shapes. See, these are the darker ones and you can see them very easily. Okay, now we are going to cut them out very carefully and very neatly. Okay, heart number 1. We have taken out this heart like this. Okay, heart number 2 is going to cut like this. See, heart number 3. Heart number 4. Number 5. Number 6. 6 hearts are needed for this card. Okay, done. Now we are going to paste it. See how you can paste it on the card. First of all, the first heart will be pasted on the center top of the card. I'm just applying this UHU glue and you can paste it on the top center of the card like this. Okay, like this. Okay, now we'll take the other one, apply some glue. Oops, the glue is okay. Now I'm going to paste it a little bit on the right side. We'll leave some space and it will be a little bit tilted on toward the left side. Now the left side, this heart will be pasted on the left side and equally spaced hearts. Okay, the right side heart is pasted on the right side and it's a little bit tilted on the left side, and the left one is tilted on the right side, and the space between the hearts should be very, equal. Now the fourth one will be pasted just under the top one. Okay, now the fifth one will be pasted on the right side of this lower one, and the sixth one will be pasted on the left side of this lower one heart. Same like the upper three hearts, we are going to paste the lower three hearts. Okay, did you get it? Now we'll be using the pencil to make a dot on the lower side of these hearts. Here at the center of this card, on this point I'm going to make a dot. Can you see the dot? I hope you can see it. Okay, by using these colorful markers, we are going to make the strings of the heart-shaped balloons. Okay, and the strings will cross this dot. Okay, first of all I'm going to use the red marker. If you are not having the color markers, you can use color pencils as well, or you can use that black marker or black pointer or pencil. It's up to you. No need to use colorful marker, it's optional. Okay, I'm going to make a string like this. Now I'm going to use the other color and it will cross this dot like this. Pink color here, and it will also cross the dot like this. Purple color, and it will also cross the dot like this. And in the last I am going to use brown color. Okay, it's done. The point where these all strings are going to join, here I am going to paste a pearl on this joining point. I am applying this UHU glue on this pearl and just simply paste it on this joining point. See how cute it is looking now. Wow. Okay, now we'll use the same markers and we'll make the bow under the heart shapes. Okay, how to draw the bow, let me show you. I'm gonna take a piece of white paper from here. Okay, see how we used to write number 8. We can write number 8 like this. but it's vertically written. Okay, but when we used to write number 8 horizontally, it will form a bow. It's very simple and very easy. So you can make it under the heart shapes like this. Okay, according to the shapes of the hearts, you are going to draw them. Orange one here, red one here, brown and blue and purple. This one, like this. Done. Now only this space is left, and over here you can write anything by using silver or golden marker. You can write Dil Dil Pakistan, Pakistan Zindabad, anything you can write, but I'm going to write it on green piece of paper, chart paper. Okay, now you are having two options. If you want to write it simply under the card like this, Dil Dil Pakistan or Pakistan Zindabad or any quote about your country, you can write it like this as well. Or you want to make it like this by using the green chart paper, you can make this as well. I'm going to show you how to write it like this. I'm going to take this piece of green chart paper and I'm going to write on it simply Dil Dil Pakistan. And see how I'm going to cut it out. Can you see it? Like this. Very simple. According to the writing, you are going to cut it in zigzag motion like this. Sorry. Okay. Pakistan. Now Dil Dil, we'll cut them out same in the same way, like this. Okay, Dil. Dil. Okay, now we'll paste them like this. Dil Dil Pakistan. Apply some glue. Paste. Dil. You can also write Pakistan Zindabad, Jan Jan Pakistan, or I love my country, I love Pakistan, Pakistan Paindabad, anything, whatever you want to write. You can also write any quote about Pakistan over here. It's up to you. And in the inner side of this card, you can write I love Pakistan or we love Pakistan, like this. I have written in the inside of it, Pakistan Zindabad, I love Pakistan, like this. You can write anything. Okay, this is the complete look of the card. I hope you will like it. And I have made this type of a card also, this one also, and this, the bigger card I hope you will like it. Okay, now you can do this activity at your home. Don't get bored and do some interesting. This will be very interesting for you to do, and you can do this activity with the help of your parents and siblings. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.